Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2021 Nissan Kicks, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off door panel in your rear door in this car. So let's start. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver. I just put some tape on it just to make it a little bit more gentle for the plastics. And let's start by removing this clip right here. So removing this clip, put your screwdriver in here a little bit, little by little, just disconnect the insert, the middle piece, like this, and get it out. Leave it here. Over here we have also a thing, just get it out, like this. Good. And over here you're gonna use two hands. With one hand you're gonna pull here, and with the screwdriver I'm gonna try to do this right now, like this. See, like very simple, little gentle, don't scratch nothing, don't rush, like this. Pink. And you have this piece out. Next thing, you're gonna have T20. Where's my T20? Right here. T20 screwdriver, and remove this screw in here. Okay, now remove this 10mm bolt. Alright, so we got the bolt out. Next thing is we will have to unclick this piece from the door. How we do this? You're gonna use a screwdriver. You just find the gap, put your screwdriver in, but again, be very gentle because the plastic scratches easy. So just get your screwdriver in, and little by little, there are actually one clip here and there will be three clips in here, and you're gonna try to get your screwdriver in, click, open, click, 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 and unclick this thing. And I'm gonna put you guys here so you can see. Get the screwdriver and gently put it in, okay, like this. Okay. So now, as you can see, these clips are 1, 2, 3, 4, they're holding it down. Now remove this connector, press the middle piece, here. Jesus Christ. So press on the middle piece and then you should be able to disconnect it like this. Now another 10mm bolt, get it out. Okay, that was actually a screw, big screw. Now at this point we should be able to just unclick the door from we unclick the panel from the door. So what I'm doing here, just find this sweet spot here to grab on it and just pull. Okay, so now the door should unclick. There are clips holding it down around the perimeter, so boom, we have the door panel off. Okay, so one more thing we have to do, remove connectors from handle like this, and we are all set. To put everything back together is same exact reverse procedure. We're gonna connect our handle with lock. 1, 2. Okay. Now, make sure we're not gonna lose this connector here. Okay, make sure it should be somewhere here, and slide on the top on first. Like this. Make sure there are no gaps, because this is wrong. There should be nice and tight. Good. Okay, holes should align. Good, 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 good. Holes are aligned. If holes are aligned, you're good. Now, make sure you don't lose the connector. You're gonna need it later. Good. This thing works. Okay. Now just step the clips back in. Also, you can look if it doesn't close. Look from the side and see if the clips are aligned with holes. That's it. Now let's put everything back together. These two, yeah, so put these two screws back in. So bolt goes in here, screw goes in here. Once we have our screws and bolts back in, we're just gonna connect connector. Just do it. Good. And clip this thing back in. That's it. Now we have to get our what's actually left. Just this cover and this cover. Okay. Clip. Whoops. Clip goes in here like this, and screw goes in here. So just put the screw back in. Okay guys, last step. We're just putting the cover back in. This end first. This and like this. Good. And put this thing back in. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. And have a great day. Bye bye.